Hey, good morning. It's Tim from Expert Power Wash in Portland, Oregon. Hey, I wanted to go over a quick little point today. Hopefully this is helpful to you guys. To be honest with you, it's something that I missed, so it's one of my mistakes. I hope you guys learn from it. So let me show you what happened. We're out doing a building washing, going to be cleaning that thing up behind me. But the reason why I'm sitting here making videos is because I have a lot of time on my hands now, and I'll show you why. All right, I'm out here on location, got my warning signs out, truck's all parked, got my lines all pulled out with where I'm gonna start, got a cone there, safety. So we go on over to the water tank here, and this thing is, you can hear it there. I'm used to a lot faster water flow than this. This has been filling for, about 20 minutes, maybe 25. And I'm about a quarter of the way full. So I'll just kind of talk to you as I walk, but I got my water hose all spread out all the way down past the building. We're probably 125 feet across. When I booked this job, I forgot to ask the customer if they had a water supply on the property. And after you do so many jobs, you get going and sometimes you miss something, and this is one of my mistakes. I'm not proud to say that I made a mistake, but we all do it. So hopefully this is something that you guys can learn from. But just a side note, I carry about 200 feet of the Flexzilla 3/4 inch hose. A lot of you guys that try to get that hose will realize that it's kind of hard to find. I get it from Russ Johnson, Southside. But it's all the way down through the blackberry bushes. This is the neighbor's house. Luckily, the guy that owns this building has a pretty good relationship with the neighbor. We're not going to access their property today, but I'll kind of show you. If you look through the weeds, it runs, you can see it runs all the way down to the side of the house there, and we had to tap into their hose. The problem with some residential waters or wells, or if you're out in the country, it's going to run quite slow. And we probably have about a 1/2 inch hose because I was 50 feet short out of the 200. So you can kind of see it runs all the way up. So we had to run some long hose today. When you're booking these, I don't know if I'd call it commercial. It kind of is commercial. When you're booking these building washings or things that aren't your normal residential stuff, check about water supplies. Ask if they have water supplies on the property or you have access to, and I know some might say in the comments, hey, if you went out and bid this in person, you would have found all that, and that is true. But we've been so busy lately that a lot of this stuff is just basic stuff. It's a one-sided building wash. You can kind of see it up in there. Should clean off pretty easy. But yeah, I just booked it and added it to the calendar and made a mistake. So hey, hopefully this is helpful to you guys. Like and subscribe to the channel. I'll have more content out there. You guys all have a great day.